Grand Rising, everybody. Grand Rising. I'm so happy that we're tuning in to another video. We are about to get into breakfast. Let me go ahead and sip my little tea and let's get started. So, today we are reviewing Chef Nikki Fat Ass Cakes. Yes, fat ass. Okay. I just like saying it because I feel like I'm grown. So we have our cake. Well, of course, our pancake mixture. Hey, come on, come on. I am so goofy. So yeah, we have our pancake mixture. So there it is. And then next, we'll just be going over like everything that we'll need. So, of course, you will actually need a cup mixer, 1.5, a whole cup, and then a half cup, a whisk. You have your teaspoons, a nice little bowl, of course, a pan for the pancakes, spatula, a good sturdy one because these some fat ass cakes. Hey! So another cup measure as well for the milk, a bowl, and then of course your handy dandy directions. If I can put it in the screen. Okay, there you go. All right. Okay, so you of course need those as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first thing that we'll do is pour our 1.5 cups into a bowl. We're going to put the apple cider vinegar in there. Now, on this clip, unfortunately, I did not show the vanilla. But you, of course, actually put your vanilla in as well, the vanilla extract. Had to clean that out a little bit. Had a little bit of baking powder in it. But yeah, so just put the apple cider vinegar in there. Now you're gonna want this to sit for about 5 minutes. We're making buttermilk essentially, so trust me, just trust the process. It is so good on the other side. Trust me. Okay, so that is, of course, when you guys get your package, you'll see the direction. But it's 1 tablespoon and a half. I'm sorry, teaspoon. Sorry, 1 teaspoon and a half. And then, so yeah, after that, that's when you'll put in the vanilla extract. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, pointing at it like I'm actually putting it in. Now this is already pre-cut because I had a little bit of a problem opening it at first. So we got that going. Now next, we'll go ahead and just dump. I just dumped the entire bag because I'm cooking for 2. This makes about like 8 to 10, it says. So we'll see. Okay. And then anytime I'm actually like mixing anything up, I always try to like fluff up the flour a little bit. If I didn't, if I hadn't already like sifted it or anything like that. But this flour is like crazy soft already. It's amazing. I'm telling you guys, you definitely have to go get this. All right. So we got that. And then next, what we'll do is actually just add in our milk mixture as well. So the directions state don't overmix. So what I did is actually I just got one of my spatulas and I just started mixing until I didn't see any more milk. But of course it was like a little lumps in it. It might seem like I'm mixing a lot, but I'm really not. Like I'm just getting everything incorporated. The batter is thick within itself and you have to let it sit for about 5 minutes. So of course this is that 5 minutes later. Then you'll go ahead and put your pancakes on. And directions say to cook those until you see like those bubbles. Flip them. At this point, I was overcooking and ready to eat. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. Man, when I tell you I'm ready to eat. Listen. So as you guys just seen, I just made these fat ass cakes. Listen, I am so ready. I just made this other stuff to put on the side to make the plate look full, but y'all know what I'm really like wanting to get into. So let's go ahead and get to it. Before we do that, let's say our grace. To the Most High, thank you so much for the food that we're about to partake in. Please let it be nourishing and a blessing to our bodies. Amen. Amen. All right. Let's get into this. I've been wanting to try these for so long. I've heard so many good things about it. Look how it cuts. Okay. Make sure you follow the directions. I followed all my directions. Listen, I let it sit and everything. So let's see how it tastes. Let me stop talking. I know I can talk forever. Our Father who art in heaven, delicious be thy name. Oh my gosh. Dang. What did you put in these? I read the ingredients. I couldn't figure out like what. Okay. Listen. Look how that. What? This feels like I'm supposed to be using my knife. This tastes like a funnel cake mixed with a strawberry shortcake, mixed with everything that the world has to offer. Man. My favorite part is how fluffy they are. Hopefully scramble good too. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm about to get down. Oh my gosh. What? If somebody make these pancakes for you, don't leave them. This. Wow. What? You don't need no extra nothing, no extra sugar, no nothing in this batter. Oh my gosh. Let me scoot this closer so y'all can really see that I'm not putting on. Oh my word. Oh my word. Do you hear that? Do you hear that crunch? Oh goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Y'all don't understand. These are the best pancakes I've ever had, period. Like vegan or non-vegan. Oh my goodness. Now this good too now. I put my foot in this too now. Uh-oh. Oh, getting a little messy. Okay. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna do something that, okay. Okay, I did it. I did it. I licked my fingers because it's that good. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I'm just gonna eat one more.
I was just gonna put one on my plate, but as I was cooking it and I seen the crust form, I said, I'm not gonna lie to myself today. I knew this was gonna be what it is. I mean, listen. When you know, you know. Girl, these are so good. Okay, y'all. Before I really get real unprofessional, like, and really, like, tear these things down, we're gonna end this video. Make sure that you get this pancake mix. It is so good. Make this for brunch, breakfast, dinner, munchies. Okay, listen, anything. These are so good. I definitely, seriously, all jokes aside, I definitely recommend these. These are so good. And they call fat ass cakes. I like saying fat ass cakes. I know my grandma's watching this. I do apologize. But ass is in the Bible. Oh. No. No. I'm not gonna say that. Okay. What? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video and to the channel, period. Website coming soon. More shirts on the way. You can definitely go ahead and actually order yours now. Click the link in my bio. Follow me. Follow Chef Nikki. I'll attach her link and also my link below. We need to partner up. We need to do a My Hungry Vegan Chef Nikki like brunch takeover. Like, we need to. This is ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. This pancake is to live for. It is so good. It's so good. So I'll talk to y'all later. Until next time, stay hungry. Bye.